Welcome! Moving a photo to another folder in the Dropbox mobile app is simple and quick, even with the latest update. Whether you're organizing your files or just tidying up your photos, I'll walk you through the steps so you can do it in no time. First, start by opening the Dropbox app on your phone. You'll be greeted by your main screen, where you can see all your files and folders. If you're not already there, tap the Files tab at the bottom of the screen. This takes you to the full list of everything you've stored in Dropbox. Next, find the photo you want to move. When you see it, notice the three dots icon right next to the photo's name. Tap those three dots to bring up additional options. This is where you'll choose what to do with the file. From the menu that pops up, tap Move. This action lets you pick a new location for your photo within your Dropbox folders. Now, you'll see a list of your folders and any subfolders you have. Scroll through this list, or navigate to the specific folder where you want your photo to go. Once you've found the right spot, select that folder. To finalize the move, tap Move again. Dropbox will transfer your photo from its current location to the new folder you selected. And just like that, your photo is organized exactly where you want it. This method works seamlessly for any type of file, not just photos, making it easy to keep everything tidy on the go. Plus, with Dropbox syncing across your devices, you'll find your files exactly where you left them, no matter what device you use next. So, next time you want to rearrange your photos or files within Dropbox on your mobile device, just follow these simple steps. Open the app, go to Files, tap the three dots by the photo, hit Move, choose your destination folder, and confirm the move. It's fast and keeps your Dropbox organized and clutter-free. Thanks for watching.